As a food goddess, I love to share every delicious meal I make on this channel, and one of it is this tuna salad recipe. If you're watching me for the first time, I post food content videos on this channel, so I would love you to hit the subscribe button down below for meal inspiration. Now let's begin with prepping the vegetables, and I'm starting with onions, since I always love to make salad fresh and always in small batches. So I dice the onions into smaller sizes, and to take the pungent smell of onions away, I will make a very fast 5-minute pickled onions. Now in a bowl, add all the diced onions, then add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, a tablespoon of white vinegar, and half teaspoon of honey. Give it a very good mix and set it aside for about 5 minutes whilst I prep the other vegetables. So in another bowl, I'll add about half cup of white vinegar and then half cup of water. Then I will start washing the salad leaves. Today I'm using Romanian salad. Feel free to play around with the vegetables of your choice. So when I'm done washing the leaves, I'll set it aside, and then I'll add a little bit of salt to the vinegar water solution and wash the cucumber. So when you wash your vegetables with this vinegar water and salt solution, you are cleaning all the dirt, the bacterials, and the pesticides or the insecticide that comes with the vegetable. So I'll give it a second wash again, and this time around with only water. So once the vegetables have been washed and cleaned very well, I peel my cucumber, and I love it that way sometimes. And then I will deseed it and cut it into smaller portions. But if cutting them in big sizes are okay for you, then cut them into your desired sizes. So I'll be cutting my tomatoes too. You can use the big tomatoes. There are different varieties of tomatoes, but today I am using this type. And then I'll cut my salad leaves into smaller pieces too. So some fresh parsley or some dill for garnishing and making it more nutritious. So the next thing is, in a bowl, I'll drain the liquid from the tuna and then discard the liquid and set the tuna aside. So using another bowl, I'll add all the vegetables and the pickled onions, the tuna, cover and set it aside to make the dressing. So to make the salad dressing, in a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Then add about half teaspoon of black pepper powder, about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, salt to taste, half teaspoon of sugar, then add in the parsley. Give this a good mix. To make it more nicer and tastier, I add in about half teaspoon of honey to it and then give it a very good mix. At this point, everything is set. I will add the dressing to the veggies, give it a very good mix, and then I will serve it. Or you can keep it in the refrigerator for 2 hours before enjoying it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and also you can use this for your wraps in the morning. I hope to see you around next time. Till then, always remember to do everything in love. And whenever you think food, think yummy cash. Choose!